Welcome to the Lean Six Sigma world, your ultimate destination for mastering Lean Six Sigma. Have you ever wondered how top-performing industries eliminate human errors in their processes? The answer lies in a simple yet powerful technique known as Poka Yoke. In this video, we will break down the principles of Poka Yoke in depth to help you master error proofing at its core. But before we dive in, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. And hit that notification bell so that you never miss our power-packed videos. Let's get started. What is Poka Yoke? Poka Yoke is a Japanese term that means mistake-proofing or error prevention. The goal of Poka Yoke is to prevent mistakes before they happen or detect them early before they become defects. This approach helps ensure quality at every stage of production. Now, let's explore the foundational principles that make Poka Yoke a powerful lean tool. Error prevention is better than detection. The first principle is to design processes in a way that errors simply cannot happen. This can be done by changing the design of equipment or adding simple control mechanisms. The idea is to stop mistakes before they even occur. 2. Immediate feedback. If an error does occur, it should be detected immediately. This allows operators to take action before it becomes a defect. This principle ensures fast response and reduces the chance of defective products reaching the customer. 3. Simplicity is key. Poka Yoke devices and methods should be simple and low cost. The best solutions are those that are easy to implement, understand, and maintain. Complexity defeats the purpose of mistake proofing. 4. User-friendly design. Any Poka Yoke solution must be operator-friendly. If it's hard to use, it may be ignored or misused. Effective Poka Yoke designs work with human behavior, not against it. 5. Focus on the source, not the symptoms. Poka Yoke addresses root causes, not surface-level issues. Instead of just correcting the result, it aims to fix the process that allowed the mistake to happen in the first place. In conclusion, Poka Yoke is more than a tool. It's a mindset focused on quality, safety, and reliability. By following its core principles, you can build processes that work better and smarter. Have you ever applied Poka Yoke in your workplace and boost efficiency with zero defects? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel, The Lean Six Sigma World, for more powerful videos. Stay tuned because we have more exciting Lean Six Sigma insights coming your way. Thanks for your valuable time, and I will see you in the next powerful video.